So, welcome to our channel and welcome to our vlog, guys. So, I'm Sarah. For those who doesn't know me and for my subscribers, welcome back. So, I'm an immigrant from Northern Alberta, particularly in Valley View. So, right now, I just wanna share to you about the subscriber who requested from me to speak in our native language, which is Filipino. But don't worry, guys, for those who cannot understand Tagalog, we will put subtitles or caption for you to be able to connect on our today's topic or for the succeeding topic. So thank you so much for all your support. And ayun na nga, guys, going back to our topic. So today we're on a long drive going to Calgary. So nag-start kami biyahe around 7 o'clock in the morning, and we wanted to do the vlog earlier, but since it's still dark around 7 o'clock when we started our drive, so we just decided to take the video when it's already bright outside. So right now we're here at Tim Hortons White Court, and we're sitting here beside the drive-thru, guys. Yeah, as you can see, I think they're double drive. So we're going there in Calgary to celebrate and attend the graduation ceremony of my husband tomorrow. Yes, this is my husband. Say hi, my dear.
Good morning, everyone. So, to those of you na hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, my name is Daniel. They called me Dennis in Tagalog. So, welcome to our channel. And ngayon's video is we're going to Calgary from Valley View. So, it's a 6 hours drive. Yung purpose nun is for my graduation day. So, welcome to my channel, welcome to our channel, guys, and hope you enjoy yung mga vlogs namin na susunod. As kami nga pala is mga immigrant na Filipino immigrant dito sa Canada. So, ang purpose namin is ma-inspire mga Pilipino, kapwa namin mga Pilipino, na malaman nila kung ano yung mga buhay na pinagdadaanan namin dito as an immigrant. And right now, nandito kami sa White Court. So, ito yung first stop namin. So, it's gonna be a 6 hours drive from our home sa Valley View papunta ng Calgary. So, samahan nyo kami, guys. So, every now and then, mag-update kami sa inyo kung nasa na kami. Thank you.
And guys, that's my husband. Yan po si Habibi natin. So, nag-stop over kami, guys, because gusto namin makapagpahinga yung sasakyan and at the same time to have our breakfast here. But hindi ako nag-breakfast, si my love lang, kasi gutumin yan. So yung kinain niya, sausage, farmer's wrap at saka hot tea. So ako nag-ice coffee lang from Valley View, guys, Tim Hortons. So yes, update lang namin kayo kung ano yung mga magagawa namin on our 2 days day off from our work, and hope you will enjoy all the happenings na mapupuntahan namin and activities. Actually, there's not a lot more mai-share namin, I guess, kasi kunting panahon lang. Pero yung pinaka main topic talaga namin dito is yung graduation ni my love. Ayun, guys. So hope to those who are not yet subscribed, guys, please subscribe to our channel para naman maka-inspire tayo ng mga ibang people na nangangarap din na magpunta dito sa Canada, guys. So hindi siya ganun kadali right now, but maybe in the future, di ba, who knows, na sa bagong government ngayon ng Canada under the liberal political environment is magkaroon ng open doors for other Filipinos and other nationality, guys, na magkaroon ng future dito sa Canada, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and update na lang tayo, guys. please like, comment, share, and subscribe na lang. At kung may mga topic na pwede natin pag-usapan in our next video, so comment lang kayo guys. And then we'll try to share and explain it to you guys and describe kung ano yung pwede nating ma-share sa iba pa. Okay guys, say bye-bye dear.
Thank you guys. Salamat sa pag-subscribe and pag-like, and hopefully mas lumaki pa tayo, mas lumaki pa yung community natin. And thank you sa lahat ng mga subscriber na, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, let's subscribe na. Thank you.
Okay guys, bye-bye. See you.